Hey guys, welcome back to TheCookiinCompany. Today I'm opening up John Cena Extreme Rules Best of Pay-Per-View 2012. Aha! Oh, only at Toys R Us. PPV headquarters. That's funny. So anyway, this one is obviously the $20 Elite figure. Price marked. I counted 3 stickers on here, and finally I picked it up for $5.90. And that's simply because somebody came over here, ripped this up, and stole the t-shirt right out of there. But I'm pretty sure it still has all the other stuff. So I'm just gonna pull him out here. And this one comes with a Build-A-Figure to make the red dude, John Laurinaitis. That's a nice fancy background there. So here are the 2 arms that the thief did not care about grabbing. Even though you could probably sell that on eBay for $5. Just like, for no reason, you know, make some money. And here's what looks like some dog tags. And here's the figure with his hat. That won't stay on his head. There we go. And I always wonder, can you take the shorts off? No, it's part of the mold. Ah, darn it. What is this? Why does he have bumps all the way down his butt? What is that? Does he wear shorts like that? Oh my goodness. And of course the, what do you call it? The little black knee thingies, they are molded into the plastic. They won't come off. That's a first. I don't have too many of the John Cena figures, so I don't know if they are all like that. Let's see. Oh, he has an armband that says C Nation on it. And that one is removable and nice and stretchy. Wristbands are painted on. The hat, kind of moldy, but it's not stretchy. It's movable, but not stretchy. You can't see me. Wow. Because I can see you right there, dude. Super muscly. Any articulation in the foot? Like I can feel there's a joint in there, but I don't know which direction it's supposed to go in. Huh. But at least it does spin around right there, and the knee, double jointed knee. You got the hip swivel and the little thingy. Can't do perfect splits, that's okay. The waist. Oh my god, look. The pants are painted on his stomach. On purpose. Ab crunch and just regular. Oh, it's not double jointed on the elbow. That's too bad. And the face, it's okay. You can totally tell it's him, but it's a little weird. I think the nose looks a little weird. Or maybe it's just him. Maybe he just looks weird, just on normal. Oh, let's put the necklace on him. There you go. Now, if only he had his t-shirt.